2018 Nissan Altima. This customer replaced his brakes 3 months ago, but he installed them on some bad rotors. These are scarred. And guess what? He needs new pads again. See how bad that rotor is? That's one thing you don't put new pads on bad rotors. You just wasted money. We may take the pads off so you can see how they are. I'll compress the caliper. This one you don't need a special tool. You can just put a screwdriver right here. You literally press it in. It's pressed. Very simple. You don't need a special tool again. Pry bar. They over tightened the top one. Bottom was sort of loose. You could probably see how it's scarred. He's getting a lot of brake noise when he's stopping. You can literally see the lines. But yeah, always change your rotors. I'm surprised it went that bad. It crashed 30,000 miles. 2018. For the rear is really weird, but you know, it is what it is.